Oh, hello, lovers. Yes, it's today Valentine's Day. And for you, we have 3 Sudokus left in this additional of yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. Saturday, February the 13th, 2021. We have here Sudoku with 2 stars. Let me position the camera. And we have also a binary and a tectonic Sudoku left, but this will be number 2326. Alright, 2326. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. I've already counted, and you can check if I'm right or wrong. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Four. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 7. Alright. 1. 2 is missing. 2. 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 9. Interesting. Four missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row, so no 1 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Should be the 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So, and now, yeah, we have a pair. Look, 2 and the 9 in this column, 2 and the 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the 2 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 here. So this box cannot be 2 and the 9. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. 8. Alright. Let me think. Yeah. 6. Yeah. Alright. 1. 1. Wow, 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 wow. 2, 2. 2 to 9. In this middle column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this big square, so no 2 and a 9 in those two boxes. The 2 and 9 goes in those two boxes. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. We know those two boxes are 3 and a 7, so this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 4 and 3. Yeah, 4 and 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And we have a pair 2 in this row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Same with the 4, 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places for the 4. Could be here, could be here. We have a pair, 2 and a 4. Alright, so now 3. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 7. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing. We have a 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2, 3 is missing. We have a 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the 9 is missing. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. So the 9 and the 1 in the same row cannot be in this box. So this should be a 3, and the 9 and the 1 goes as a pair. Alright, so 3 in this row, 3 in a row above the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 8. Yeah, 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So here should be the 8. Alright. Alright. 5, 5. 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. And 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. It should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be 8 anymore. This box should be the 8. Alright. So 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. So the only place for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 8. Then 5, 5. We have a pair, 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So the first row, the first row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So now we have the 3 missing numbers. And one of the missing number in the first row should be a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. So the only place for the 9 should be here. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. And now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. And this should be a 6. Alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And I've eliminated 9, so the 9 goes. And there, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Cannot mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. 2, 4. The last column. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I need a 1 here in the last column. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this can't be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 4. Alright. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. So 2 numbers left in the last row. The 6 and the 7. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. And then 3, 7. Okay, so those numbers in this column should be 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 3 and a 7. So we have a pair here, 3 and a 7. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 1 number left in the second column for the number 5 is missing. The 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And 1 number left in this column. The first column for the number 3. 3 is missing, yes. Now we have a 3 there. So this can't be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 6. 7 and 6. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. And the first Sudoku, yes, a lot of more troubles than this one. This one is easier than the previous one. I do not know, but I think this one is easier. So it should be the 1 star. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the 3rd Sudoku. It will be a binary for the boys and girls. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.